Now that you know the strategy and creative aspects of turning your website into a conversion machine, let's get into the details of your website. We'll cover things like hosting, the URL, and software you need to build your website. Remember, don't skip any part of this course. We're going to cover 3 ways to build your website now. The software running your website is the second most important factor when it comes to on-page search engine optimization. We'll discuss 3 different options for building your site. The first option is open source content management system. A content management system is software that allows you to edit the content on your website. Websites can be built using themes and pre-built pieces of code created by other developers, called plugins, into which your business content is added. WordPress and Joomla are the 2 of the most popular open source CMSs, with WordPress powering over 35% of the websites on the internet. For instance, if you want a directory for a chamber website, you could use a plugin to create a directory listing database. This can save you the time to create the database and functionality from scratch. Another example is a shopping cart feature. Instead of creating a custom solution, you could use a pre-built plugin. However, there is a downside to having maintained multiple plugins, as they do occasionally break. Additionally, when the CMS updates, the plugins will need to be updated to maintain security on your website. A CMS like WordPress and Joomla can be powerful tools if you have a good developer or you're willing to take the time to learn the software. We recommend choosing a developer who has extensive prior experience with your particular CMS. Usually, website developers will give you a bid to create a website using a popular CMS. A WordPress website will start around $3,000 and could reach well over $100,000. Once the site is complete, the only mandatory monthly cost would be a hosting fee. Changes to the website would have to be made by a developer, which would typically cost over $85 an hour. CMSs like WordPress and Joomla give you flexibility when building your website, but require more development time and ongoing maintenance costs.